Francisco Bird.
Trout Quintet, written by Franz Schubert. Hi, I'm Leo, and these are my socks. See? I have yellow socks, and green socks, and socks with little blue spots. Hey, what about you? What do your socks look like? Ooh, cool! Well, guess what? I have one more sock I want to show you. And it's the silliest sock ever. It's my silly sock. Wow! Take a look. My silly sock has funny pictures on it. See? It has a pizza and bananas and a little animal. What animal is it? A fish, right? It's so silly. Oh, good idea, Silly Sock. Silly Sock has a funny song he likes to sing. It goes, my silly sock has pizza, bananas, and a little fish. Hey, where did Silly Sock go? He's on my head! You're right! There you are, Silly Sock! Silly Sock is making us laugh! He's hilarious! Hey, Silly Sock! What are you carrying inside your sock? Ooh, it's a picture of a circus.